Serving Scotch tape realness, I guess. Hello and welcome to Monson Made This. My name is Michael. Welcome to day 6 of my What I Eat in a Week to Lose Weight on a Plant-Based Diet series. Also, Merry Christmas. I'm filming this right now on Christmas morning, even though the footage you're about to see of me eating happened a couple weeks ago. So, don't really have much to say before this one. I'll save all of my final thoughts for the next video, episode 7, the end of the week. But before I show you what I ate on this day, a Friday, December 11th, I guess it was, I want to show you just a clip that I found on the camera. When I was uploading footage, I found that Ben had taken the camera and filmed the pups and the Christmas tree and his Christmas village. So I decided to include that footage for you here. So check that out. Then you'll get the weigh-in. Then you will get my what I eat for Friday, December 11th. So thank you again for watching. Merry Christmas, and I will see you tomorrow. Friday. I was gonna say good morning and then I realized it's 1 o'clock. I just got back from my jog. This is my setup so that my headphones stay in. The cord at the back. Yeah, I've been up. Actually, I slept in a little bit later. I woke up around 9 o'clock or so. But I try to wait until it's a little bit later, till it warms up a bit to go for my jog. It was about like 54 degrees out when I went. That's why I have a long sleeve shirt. Before I left, I went and I put some more yogurt in the Instant Pot. After that like cereal yogurt thing last night was just hit. I was like, I need to make some more of this because I'll probably finish the last bit today and it takes 12 hours to make. So I'll take it out at like midnight tonight and put it in the fridge and I'll have it tomorrow. I literally just got back from the run, that's why I'm a little out of breath. I need to do some after jog stretches. I'm not really hungry yet. What I think though, I'm in the mood for that like black rice, black bean, mustard curry type of situation. I might try to like make that sauce though using some of my yogurt. We'll see. Some of the yogurt is already made. We'll see. I'm also, I think kale is the only kind of like veggie green thing I have. Maybe some sweet potatoes. So I think I'm gonna do like purple sweet potato, green kale. But that's not gonna happen for a little bit. So I'm gonna go stretch. Just wanted to check in because it is so late in the day. This is good.
Yeah, this is good. And you can like lean into the shot and be like, hey, what's up, Peachy fam?
Peachy fam?
Saradici rhymes with peachy. You know, you gotta like get yourself in there.
When people that want to start a YouTube channel tell you how to
you gotta like get in there and like move your hands a little. You move your hands all the time. Move your hands.
I do. I'm hungry. I need to eat.
Okay.
been giving me a lesson on how to be a YouTuber, and it's way too late. It's 3:30. I mean, I'm not crashing or anything. I feel fine. But I've just been working on editing this video, which is...
Have you not eaten anything today?
I've not eaten anything today. You're gonna say that's the reason I am how I am? Yogurt's going back there. Dishes are piled up here. I sliced up some purple sweet potato. I peeled it, sliced it. The pups are at my feet because they're wanting some. This purple, I think it's a Japanese sweet potato. So good. Just thinly sliced it. Well, 1/4 inch sliced. Air fried them for like 15 minutes. Amazing. I'm gonna make what I said I was gonna make, but I'm not gonna go through the trouble of making a full dressing. I'm just gonna mix black beans, black rice, purple sweet potatoes, some tahini, some of the yogurt, mix that together, nutritional yeast, seasonings, and it will be delicious. Oh, I'll put some kale in it. And it's gonna be delicious, and it'll fill me up, and then probably get back on the computer and keep editing this video. So here's things that I have in the fridge that I want to use / need to use. I've got the black rice, lemon, cooked up tofu. Behind those are some onions, black beans, soy yogurt, tahini, some kale. This is the air fried purple sweet potato, and some avocado. So I'm gonna just start chopping things up, massaging the kale, getting them all in the bowl, saucing on top, tossing it together, and that is going to be my lunch / whatever meal it is you eat at 3:30 p.m. Final dish I'm pretty happy with: sweet potatoes, yogurt, tahini, black rice, black beans, avocado, kale. I used some of the leftover seasoning that I used on my popcorn last night, which is just basically nutritional yeast and salt and garlic powder, and the pups want more sweet potatoes. I'm really happy. I shouldn't have waited this long, but otherwise I feel fine. Well, I'm gonna finish eating this, and I probably won't be eating again for a number of hours. We'll see. Last night's dinner, which was the yogurt and kashi, shredded wheat, and seeds, sounded really good, so I'm having that again right now. But I'm also including some of the einhorn bread with peanut butter on it. Nothing really's been happening. We've been watching TV and movies. Quality family time. Well, it was time to eat, and this is exactly what I wanted.
Ryan Little. Listen.